Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adjusting when battery saver mode turns on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom. Search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select System from the left sidebar. Now select Power and Battery. In Power and Battery settings, you will see the battery saver option. Click the drop-down arrow beside it to expand it. Select the option called Turn Battery Saver On Automatically and choose your desired option from the drop-down menu. Battery saver mode will now turn off when the battery percentage reaches this percentage. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.